Welcome back to my spoken English 80% personal. Here I'm on the back on the video with new relation. Here so I'm gonna talk to you about what pairs. But before I'm gonna talk about that, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, leave me comments and press bell icons if you like my video. Now let's get started the video. The word pair which I'm now gonna have is straight up, unfolded, straight off means folded umbrella. The word I'm now gonna talk to use straight up and straight up, unfolded and folded. So with these words, what we can have, let's see, we can have the two postures of umbrella. One is straight up umbrella, means unfolded umbrella, and another one is straight up umbrella, means folded umbrella. So now let's go to have some example with these two postures of umbrella. With straight up means unfolded word, I would like to have some example here. Each posture of straight up umbrella. Next, it's likely to rain, so please straight up the umbrella. Two number example. It's drizzling now, so please straight up the umbrella. 3 number example. It's shimmer shining today, so please straight up the umbrella. Now next example. Please straight up a cloth on the table. Now hereafter example. Please straight up your fingers and let me see what you are taking. 6 number example. Please wring the wet clothes well and stretch up them in the sun to dry. 7 number example. She stretches her hair on her forehead. Next 8 number example. I have unfolded a bank passbook in my name's in the bank. Okay, hereafter example. Please straight up the book at page number 60. Now hereafter with the word folded umbrella. It's a posture of folded umbrella. 2 number. Please fold your fingers. 3 numbers. Please fold the unfolded blankets as earlier. 4 number example. Please fold 1 inch at the margin of your copy book. 5 numbers. Each unlikely to rain now. 2. Please fold the umbrella. Okay, next hereafter example. 6 number. The rain is ceased now. 2. Please straight up the umbrella. 7 number example. The temperature of the sun is calmed down a bit, so please straight up the umbrella. That's all. Tell on it with this word, and in hereafter videos I would try to bring like this word pairs that will attract you too much. So looking forward to meet you again on this video. Till then, goodbye.